Hey guys, wanna know how to save your profile in OkCupid? Well, no worries, in this video I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, you cannot directly save your profile in OkCupid application, but there is a workaround. Your profile has a public link, and here's how to get it. Head towards your browser and then type in okcupid.com and make sure you're logged in as well. Now once you're there, in order to share your profile, there should be a URL. Now make sure you are on your profile as well. And once you're there, right here on the top, you should be seeing your URL right here. Just simply click on it and then check this copy icon right here. Now once you've done that, your profile will be successfully copied. Now you can paste it on any other applications like Messenger or Instagram and then just share it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.